driver na Assam at Meghalaya menta kasi kila pelong ya ka jingya kenduk lang ha Green Hills Nongpoh na ka benta banyakran halor ka jingja ka belaja ha ka art nitorek naitung ahaja arpsa baka seng HNYF kila khang ki kali ki bawan na ka jela Assam ha tingar East Khas Hills Shillong na kate ka jingja ha tingar kalawan ra ka kenram ha pedeng ki driver na Meghalaya pat Assam ki ba im chakpo na ka kam kamai kali ya ki nonglet nongwan but shibenta ban pentanda ya ki te ki jingja ki la pelong ya ka jing kenduk lang banyakran penbet halor ki te ki kam kabala bo jing siir kala ya ki driver la ka long na Assam pat na Meghalaya hakani ka jing kenduk lang ki driver na Meghalaya bat na Assam menta kasi kala dan ka jing tai ka bajur hapdeng ki para driver na ka te ka jingja ha tingar ha kabakani kalakta ya ka shongsuk shongsan ki para driver but wat ki nongwan jingo kai pathai la ka long na Assam bat na Meghalaya kumlapan pau da ka dinong yalam ki driver na Meghalaya bat na Assam bakan thop ya Robin Data President Greater Guwahati Tourist Taxi Association Paltan Bazar bat President ka Nyotrap Tourist Taxi Association uba tilang nongban kilaong ba karai ka ba kila shim na kani ka jingya kenduk lang kalong ban penne ya ka jingya day bat la rai ban trai lang klem kanu ka jing penthot la kalong na Meghalaya ni na Assam kila pen shai ru ba ka jingja ha tingar kam day ka bale da ki driver bat ka day ka bale da ka kenhun seng bat kim dan jing tip satya ya ka tay ka kam ai ba ka sarkar kan le ya ka badan kam
ni habay siyong lang kini meeting nangi kalyang jong Meghalaya bat Assam ke kadehi tengah tagawe hi kabang hila ya rai lang namar ba kajing sutu bakla jong ki nonglet nongwan ki bawan naga barjala tam ki bana coba ka state jongi kain na kiwi ru ka state ki ba don gitu kajing ya khang na kalyang jong ki seng balang ndai katu baro ban ni kamton jing dei em ha kalyang kajing bat kali te na kalyang jong iru long ni na pensyai hiru ba na kalyang jungi komunikasyon ngimdon re kanu kajing yang persya ya kanu ka tourist taxi bawan sa kajala jungi maki her kalyang jungi bang syong mendaringin ya sim khia tang ha bade ba kani kalyang jong kini kali private di balabun palat di bawan kamai sini jala jungi laki number plate le katu kalau ong kniat kala kam kini ya piang ja jungi kinong kamai ki ba kamai hok lagi tourist taxi desa kawiru long ni na kalyang jong asyon long kibun kiti kiseng ki bami sakmat ki ba yakun na kalyang jong sarkar ngim bedik kita kasyong haki banyakran bak sarkar ngi na kalyang jong ngi kwa ba ka Assam ba ngi ke Meghalaya indon hapadeng kajing yesuk ngim kwa kanu kajing kan at nar baro arlyang ki state kumbang julong baro si kata ngi nyai be kunta ngidon kajing lang na baro kini na Assam Meghalaya ngi kwa ba kan nyai ke maju yai katu ki banai kran sa sarkar ai kin yakran bak sarkar kin sutu bak sarkar ngi para draibar rang ni ngi nyai be ke kam jungi banyak kamai kaji be banyak bahaya met lang na baro arlyang state jungi
तो अपने kata kajing ya ban ujor ya kan ya
Ngila
sa katnat
dan katuru ngila don kajing komplain jungi lasia mo mara lasia ngila don komplain ya katu ngila don ru na tim jungi kila ya operation jungi hapo tengar hi lihat na kaliang jong tim jungi kila ya banyak kendang gitu kali privately mo kapor te na kaliang jungi ru lada klem kajing terelang na kaliang jungi para driver kabu jing ba identify na department ban kino kita ki private ki bakamay ni kino ki private ki bawan nakakam na yang nasam ta te ngiru na kalyang jongi ka asyon na bro arliang kajela menta ngila persyang manginya nginya tray rangkan nginya verify iwe pa iwe na pendengi jongi ki driver ba kino ki kili private ki ba kamay bian syaku hati le ni sa Shillong ya katangi ro nga sa sim action halo kani kita so wan sa kajela ka jongi mo ngi kum ki driver ngiyo kamay kaji lengba jongi jingwan bun itores oh ngin kwa ru ba na pedeng jongi ki bagi terus kindon haka safety ke baning kong ru bat kunju iki derbar jongi ru abaki le cha Assam ki wan sa Shillong ru kindon hak pedeng ke jing sngany kalet kawan bat kunju iki passenger ro tangkata hi kawi ka message bang ikwa nang iru ba ikwa ya ka jing suk shwa min sa kamai wat hadian kata
meeting representing the taxi operators of Meghalaya and from Assam side. And we have decided and we want to make it clear to the people and the tourists visiting this state that there is no such any imposition by the government restricting vehicles coming from Assam or tourists coming from Assam. This has been created by some unwanted element, but it is not a government decision. So we have cleared ourselves, we have cleared all doubts, And because some elements are taking advantage of this thing, because they give some flare-up statements in their social media, which actually escalates the tension for our taxi operators as well as tourists. So we want to diffuse the tension, and that is why we have sat together and we have jointly decided to give an appeal to all tourists. They are free to visit. There is no such any government ban or any restriction by anybody. Okay, and other decisions are also there. We have sought some, because our taxi operators, we are facing some problems, competition from private vehicles operating on as taxis. So we have also taken a joint decision that will restrict the flying of illegal taxis, which are private vehicles. These are the main decisions. Yeah. We will not take the law into our hands. Yes. We want to give a first appeal to all persons, these travel agents and all these things, booking agents. They are illegally operating private vehicles as on hire basis, and that is actually destroying our business also, because we are paying high rate of taxes, maximum taxation, and they are not paying taxes like us. So there's a discrimination, so they cannot fly. That is illegal. We are not talking about private vehicles. Private vehicles are free to come. Somebody is coming on weekend, they can visit Cherrapunji, any Dauki also. As family, they can come. But we are talking about those private vehicles illegally operating as taxis, Yes. That category. So it should be clear, because this may go as a thing, misinterpreted, Any private vehicle, somebody will see, yes, and they'll stop it. We are not talking about private vehicles. That, yes, private category of vehicles higher flying on higher basis.
So is there any action from the association from Assam?
Yeah. We'll detect those things, and because mostly our drivers are flying those private vehicles, we'll try to detect and we'll give the list to government. We'll not take the law into our hands. Will not take. And we appeal to our Meghalaya counterparts, so they'll not take the law, they'll give the list to the government and will pressurize the government to take action. Yes. Yeah. Message is that people are free to come to Meghalaya, as well as we welcome tourists to, yes, come to Assam. Yes. So it should go like that, because tourism is booming up, it's a very thriving industry and we should preserve it at any cost. We don't want any element to destroy this good industry, tourism, which is giving employment to so many people, not only taxi operators, lot of employment, starting from hotel, restaurant, homestay, everywhere.